How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix the backup camera for your GMC Terrain. So there's multiple ways to do this. Basically, I have prepared multiple instructions. First things first, you want to perform an informational reboot. Many camera glitches like freezing, black screen, or distorted lines are caused by temporary software bugs. So in order to perform a quick reboot, we simply want to turn off the Terrain. You want to open the driver's door and wait for around 60 seconds until the internal system power down and restart the vehicle by simply just turning it off once again. For factory resetting the actual camera, if the quick reboot fails, you can reset the system via your touchscreen by heading over to the setting, return to factory setting, and click on the restore vehicle setting. From there, we then want to simply clean the camera lenses. You want to use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe the lens near the tailgate handle. For stubborn road salts or grime, you want to dampen the cloth with mild automotive glass cleaner or a 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and distilled water. And the last thing that I recommend is checking for the wirings and water damage. You want to inspect the wiring near the tailgate hinges for visible damages, fraying, or loose connection. Water intrusions into the camera housing is a known issue on some GMC Terrain models, which can short out the camera's internal circuits. Basically, if you notice condensation inside the lens, you may need to remove the housing, dry it thoroughly, and check for cracks in the seat. So that's multiple ways in order to fix this problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.